Hey there, here I'm going to show you how to use Grok AI for file analysis, smartest AI advisor. Now here I will show you everything about file analysis using Grok AI. So what you do and to know everything. Now here what you do now is to slide here. Now here click on this docs here, click on it. Now here what you do now is to go to the folder where you kept the file here. Here I will click on documents. And here I will slide down to storage because here is where I kept the file. Now I will click on it. Now here what I will do now is to click on the file which I want to analyze here. Now here is where you get trickish. Now here use this prompt like this, which I'll also leave some prompts in the description section for you to use it. So now here use this prompt like this. Here let me type it and then explain. Now here tell it the particular file which you want it to analyze. Like here I will say you can see I describe the file it will analyze. Now here what you do now is to send it like this by clicking this send icon here. As you can see, it is analyzing the file. You can see it have analyzed the file. You can see here. Now here you can also use it in CVS, docx, and also PDF. You can also use it in any file you want to use it. Now here, second one I will show you is how to analyze a file link. Now here to analyze a file link, what you do now is to go to where you kept the file link, like your cloud storage, your Google Cloud storage, or your Dropbox. Now here I'll open my Google Drive. Now here go there like this. Now here you can see my files, like you can see my PDF here. You can see it. Now here what you do now is to click on this 3-line icon on the side here. Now here what you do now is to click on this copy link here. Now here go back to the Grok AI like this. Now here what you do now is to use this prompt like this. Analyze. Let me type it and then explain. And here you can see how I put it. And here let me explain. Analyze this PDF. You can see describe the file name. You can see the bracket, paste the link here. Now here what you do now is to send it like this and then wait for it. You can see it is analyzing it. You can see here. Now wait for it. You see it have analyzed the file. You can see. You see it analyzed everything inside this file and also simplify it. You see you can also copy it and then paste it anywhere you want. So try this and tell me how it works on the comment section. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for more helpful tech tutorial. And if you have any question, leave in the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Now see you on the next video. Watch this video on the description section where I show everything about Grok AI. So see you on the next video. Peace.